Hi dear students, today let's learn about germination, seed germination. We are familiar with the word germination. But actually, do you know what is the meaning of germination? How does a seed germinate? What are the factors a seed needs to germinate? Let's see all from this video. See, this is the seed. See the structure of a seed. The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. Tiny seed means a small seed. From inside the seed, the life of a plant start to begin. The life of a plant begins from a tiny seed. The seed is protected by an outer covering called seed coat. Okay, each and every seed is protected by an outer covering. If you observe a seed, you can see a covering outside this. That is known as seed coat. The seed contains a small baby plant inside it. See, in this image you can see the baby plant inside it. That baby plant is known as embryo. The scientific word used to call that small baby plant is known as embryo. The seed contains a small baby plant called an embryo. What are the conditions required for the growth of a seed? A seed needs moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, and good quality seed for the growth of a seed. These are the factors needed for a seed to grow. Which are they? Moisture, warmth, nutrient-rich soil, sunlight, and good quality seed. Once these conditions are satisfied, the seed begins to grow. If a seed gets all these conditions, they will start to grow. The seed absorbs water from the soil. See how it is taking water from soil. The plant cell inside the seed start duplicating. Enzymes get activated from the baby plant, which is called embryo, start to duplicate. That means it will start to grow. See, then there will be growing its root from the seed. With more and more nourishment, the embryo starts growing. Okay, when the seed gets more moisture, warm, nutrient-rich soil and water, it will start to grow. Eventually, the growing plant bursts open through the seed coat in search of sunlight. Growing plant bursts open. See, like this it would be. The roots will be growing downwards, but the leaves will be start to grow upwards for getting enough sunlight. Once the seed coat falls off, the root starts growing downwards to anchor the seed. Roots start growing downwards to anchor the seed. See, root will be growing downwards while the shoot will be growing upwards. Once the seed coat falls off, the root starts growing downwards to anchor the seed. Anchor the seed means to fix the seed and to search for more food and nutrients from the soil. Meanwhile, the shoot also starts growing upwards towards the light. Baby plant with tiny leaves. There will be start to grow tiny leaves. This process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination. So what is germination? The process of the growth of a seed into a plant is called germination. So first it was a seed, small seed, then it started to grow. Now it became a baby plant. This process is known as germination. Okay, thank you.